Let's talk about prompt compression. Super useful technique when working with AI. Sometimes your prompt works fine, but it is too long already. Prompt compression means shortening that prompt without losing its meaning. You remove extra words, combine sections, and tighten the phrasing. This helps you in 3 big ways. It saves your token. That means it saves you money if you're using a paid model. It makes the response faster because there is less text to process. It keeps your prompt clean and easier to maintain, especially when dealing with long instructions or limits on prompt size. Let's take an example to understand what is prompt compression. Okay, I want to ask LLM to suggest me 5 fun things that a family can do in Paris during summer. So 1 is this version of prompt which is long and has unnecessary words in it. Let's run this prompt and see what is the output. It suggested me 5 fun things that family can do in Paris. Now let's open a new chat and run the shorter version of prompt and see if there is any difference in the output. This is the compressed version of the prompt that does not have any unnecessary word or phrase. It states as a travel agent list 5 family-friendly summer activities in Paris. You see, more or less the output is same, and even the ideas it is suggesting me are same. So why not use a compressed version of prompt, which saves us money and time?